Baby's sleeping. I have the monitor in front of me. I'm gonna hear her if she starts crying. Ready to film. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is also another career and marketing focused video. I noticed the strong interest in these types of videos, so I'm trying to make more of these. So today's video will be all about HubSpot Academy, which is a great source for marketers and sales professionals. Earlier, when some of you guys asked me in the comments to other videos about which sources you can refer to improve your skills in marketing, learn new areas, etc., this was one of the sources that I recommended, and I decided that HubSpot Academy deserves a video on its own. And it's not sponsored, it's just a source that I really like and really find valuable. So today's video will be all about HubSpot Academy, as I just mentioned. I will go through the different types of courses and certifications that you can find on HubSpot Academy, which ones I have taken before, and why I find them really helpful. So if you're interested in learning new skills or improving your present skills in marketing or sales or even design, we'll talk all about HubSpot Academy, so keep on watching. So I'd like to do a quick introduction into HubSpot because it certainly deserves this introduction before I start talking about HubSpot Academy and how I know about HubSpot Academy in the first place. So HubSpot is actually one of my love brands or love companies, whatever you want to call it, but it's one of the companies that is kind of like on my career bucket list. And I actually had a chance to do a series of interviews for a role that was really interesting to me back in the day. I think it was 2 years ago, and I was really hoping to get it, obviously, because it's my bucket list company, but it didn't go through. But I've had a lot of chance to use the platform since I've worked with marketing agencies who were HubSpot partners. I worked directly with a lot of HubSpot team members as well, because they were the advisors or the channel consultants, as they call it. Okay, I just saw that my mom is actually putting a new blanket on the baby. You know how the grandparents always think that the grandchildren are going to get cold? That's my mom. Hi mom, if you're watching, I love you. So HubSpot is the company that's actually behind the inbound methodology, which is the practice that I specialized in the past few years and that I really like. So inbound marketing is one of the fields that I mentioned in the video that is called Day in the Life of the Marketing Manager. You can learn more about inbound marketing in that video, which I will link here, I think. In the past 3 marketing agencies that I worked with, they were all HubSpot partners. So what being a HubSpot partner means is that the agency itself, the marketing agency itself, is using HubSpot as their main marketing automation platform. And also, when an agency is a HubSpot partner, what they prefer to do is to have their clients on board with HubSpot as well, so that the systems are aligned, and obviously the team working at the marketing agency are all experts in HubSpot platform. So clearly we prefer to use HubSpot with our clients as well, but unless they have another marketing automation software that they have already purchased and they are using comfortably. So yeah, brief information on HubSpot partner situation. When you work with any HubSpot partner agency, what the agency asks the team members is to take the HubSpot certifications from HubSpot Academy. That's how I was initially introduced to HubSpot Academy. The inbound certification from the HubSpot Academy is actually one of the best and foundational certification programs that you can do online for inbound marketing. And if you're interested in inbound marketing at all, I highly recommend that you complete that certification. Once you complete the certification, you can also add a badge to your LinkedIn profile or your CV as well, because the inbound certification is actually something quite decent to have on your CV if you're interested in the field. One thing that's really great about HubSpot certifications is that they are actually recognized by the industry, and once you have that on your CV, it will help to really strengthen your CV and kind of improve your case about being interested in marketing. I want to mention this specifically because I've read a lot of comments from you guys saying that you're really interested in starting a career in marketing, you want an internship or you want a position in the marketing field, but you have no experience. I completely understand that situation, and that's another topic for another day, but what I can really recommend you to do is to take these certifications, because these are definitely recognized by the industry. And once you complete these and have these on your CV, I really think that it's going to strengthen your profile and your chance of getting an interview for a marketing job. So let's move on to the screen, and I will share my screen and we can go over HubSpot Academy courses all together, and I can show you the ones that I'm talking about that I think will help you if you are an aspiring marketer, or if you're in marketing already but you want to strengthen your skills or gain new skills. So let's hop onto the screen. All right, we are now on to my screen, and I already have the HubSpot Academy main page in front of me. What I want to take you through today is some of the certification courses, some of the foundational courses that I have taken before and that I have found to be very, very helpful. To start taking any course on HubSpot Academy, you either have to log in if you already have an account, or you need to sign up for free courses. Okay, so as you see from this top right corner over here, you need to have an account to be able to take any course on HubSpot Academy. If you already have an account, you can just go ahead and log in. If you're new to the platform, then you can sign up for free courses, and you can do so using either your Google account or using an email address. So I will skip to the second tab where I am actually logged in with my work email address. And we'll start going through the popular courses and some of the certification courses that I've taken before. These three that you see right here, the inbound marketing, and inbound sales courses. These are the three foundational main certification programs. They are all certification courses, as you can see right here, that you can take on HubSpot Academy. If you are interested in inbound at all, I highly recommend that you take these courses. First one, that's just called Inbound, basically teaches the fundamentals of inbound, the inbound methodology, the flywheel, that is a signature thing for HubSpot, and how to apply it to business. In the inbound marketing one, we learn more about the techniques, different strategies, and how to convert and nurture leads and beyond, as they say. And yeah, by the end of the certification, we'll be on our way to building our inbound marketing strategy, which is amazing, I think. And look at the duration of these courses. So this one is just a little under 2 hours, consisting of 6 lessons. I also took this course in the past as well. And this was when I actually transitioned from the marketing department to the account management team. And this was really, really helpful in terms of understanding how to approach sales with an inbound mindset. You can also find lots and lots of other courses that are for different specialties, such as content marketing, email marketing, growth-driven design. I think this one I also started doing, but I have not completed it. This one's also an amazing course if you're interested in building a website, if you're involved in building a website, and if you're involved in optimizing and creating a top performer website. You'll also see that some of these have short course tags right here and right here. For example, this one is for an end-to-end Instagram marketing strategy. This one's another writing course right here. I also saw another one lately that was specifically focused on YouTube marketing, which I will actually start taking very soon. As you see, there's actually 22 pages filled with courses, certification programs, lessons, and everything else. So this is a big library of free online training for anyone who is in the marketing department or in the sales department, but wants to learn the inbound mindset or wants to enhance their skills in any area of marketing, to be honest. So let's maybe go to the inbound marketing one and say start now. And this is my work email address, but what I want to mention is that you don't have to be a HubSpot partner, or you don't have to have a work email address to be able to take courses from HubSpot Academy. You will see that there are different sections to the course. And for each section, you'll see how many videos there are and the total duration in minutes. And they're all video lessons. So let's actually start one of them and here.
there! Welcome to the Inbound Marketing Certification course. We're excited that you've decided to take a step toward understanding what the inbound movement is all about and applying it to your marketing strategy.
Okay, so as you see, it is pretty engaging. And then for each lesson, you can read through the lesson overview. You can see that you can read more about the lesson professor. When you click on the resources tab, you can download the slides. You can download the transcript if you're interested in, reviewing or rereading the transcript after you've listened to it. You can also download the study guide. So let's also take a look at that one. And that is in a PDF format. As you see, it is really, really well prepared, and it is really helpful if you want to, again, improve your skills in any of the areas under marketing, or if you want to just take short lessons about the platform itself or anything else, basically, under the umbrella of marketing.
So that is it about HubSpot Academy, and that's it from me today. I hope you enjoyed the information. I hope you found some interesting courses that you think will help to advance your career or grow your business. Do let me know if you already used the platform before, which courses you took, if you've ever completed certifications from the Academy, and how they have helped you. And if you haven't already taken any courses, let me know in the comments which ones you found interesting, which ones you are considering of starting. And yeah, let's make this a movement. This is a perfect free source for any marketer or sales professional, in my opinion. That is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found the information valuable, and hope that you share it with your friends and network if you think they will also benefit from this video. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.